Hello students, WBCS 2021 solution we are doing part 4. In this video I will be doing from 41 to 60. Shobut Sathi is a scheme for distribution of bicycles to students of government and government aided schools of Maharashtra. Reading in which class? So this is being given to the students of class 11 and class 12. It's very important. Okay, so next is which animal was part of the symbol of the Netaji's INA flag? So this is actually tiger, International Army flag. So this is a tiger was the part, a yellow looking very bright Bengal tiger. Pure silicon at is an insulator. Okay, so this is an insulator. Which is the direct tax in India? And the answer is wealth tax. These are all indirect. If you don't buy, you don't have to give, but wealth tax is direct. Name of the super cyclone Yas was given by which country? Remember that every year there's a cycle, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, so the shark countries gets to give the name. And this was being given by Oman. Okay, next. Badland topography is an important characteristics of the following region. So for which region? And the answer is it's actually in the Chambal Valley. The Badland topography we can see. What was Ekab movement? Very, very important. Okay. So Eka movement was an unitary movement, is a peasant movement in Hardoi in Bariark and Sitapur during the end of 1921. The main reason for the movement was high rent, which was generally higher than 50% of the recorded rent in that some areas, and operation by the takedars who were entrusted to collect the rent and practice the share of the rent also contributed to the movement. Okay, so now it's very easy to say what is the answer. Yes, it is a peasant movement. Next, 48. Which among the following novels of Sharat Chandra vividly reflected the revolutionary movement in India? And it was Pather Dabi. Next, Srikanto is of friends to friends story. Polli Samaj is about the non-structural formation of a village structure in India. The power of lens is plus 2 point D. The focal length of the lens and its nature are okay. So this is before telling that what is this D? This is actually diopter. And D equal to 1 by F, where F equal to focal length, so F equal to 1 by D, but with respect to that the centimeter value will also change, and this will give you 50 centimeters. So 1 by 2 into 100, so this will be giving you 50 centimeter, and it's a convex lens. If it is minus, then plus concave minus this is convex and this is concave. Next is the spectrum of color in compact disc is due to, so you have seen it in the school days or previous days. So this is the diffraction is happening. Okay. Next, 51. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., the 46th president of the USA, belongs to the political party named, you all know this. So this is the Democratic. In USA, two only party, Republican and Democratic, and this answer is Democratic. Okay, Joe Biden. So this is the full name. Although the final match between England and New Zealand was a tie, England won the 2019 ICC World Cup. The reason was England won super over by boundaries, and even in the super over there are same runs, but here the option is not fully complete. It is, if in the super over also you make the same runs, then in the entire innings which country has made the higher number of boundaries is the decider. So England won that match. According to World Health Organization, official name of the virus responsible for COVID-19. The full name, the official full name is SARS-CoV-2. So 53 is A. The boundary line of Sundarban was demarcated by Dampier and Hodges. Dampier and Hodges were the two persons responsible for this, who found, and it was also associated with the Bangladesh territory, at that time East Pakistan. Who founded the Asiatic Society in Calcutta? William Jones. William Jones is the person who is the first, he alongside the other people, but he was the main greater. So it's actually located in Park Street. It's very, very nice place, and many institutional research also happens over here. Next, who wrote Amukta Malayara? So this was being written by Krishna Deva Rai. So who was the present Chief Election Commissioner of India? And the name is Mr. Sushil Chandra. Next. '58. Under which amendment of the Indian Constitution the voting age reduced to 18 from 21? So this was a very, very important amendment. So it was actually the 61st amendment. Okay. Next, Article 18 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to freedom. And the last question for this video, who has been named the captain of the Indian men's hockey team for the Tokyo Olympics? And we all know by this, Manpreet Singh. A lot of newspaper coverages have been done in the recent times.